Okay, Dart GTS fans, here it is. It's got its new red line tires on it with the correct 5.5-inch wide performance wheels that were on the Performance A bodies like Formula S Barracudas and these Dart GTS cars. This is a 383 car, so it certainly would come with these 5.5-inch wheels. Anyway, painted them up yesterday, polished up the caps. Everything came out beautiful. Let's back off and have a look at it. There's your old school look, baby. Big block Dart 4-speed, 391 sure grip. Car has a build sheet, and now everything agrees with the build sheet. Red lines with the poverty caps. And another nice thing is the car originally came with a 323 sure grip on the build sheet, but it now has a 391 in it. So let's have a look at the interior, then we'll pop the hood and go for a drive. Everything's real nice condition. All the chrome bits are nice. Center console is beautiful. Door handles, all the bright bits are all fantastic and beautiful. And those light package bullet turn signals are the bomb. Fender mounted. Grill is beautiful. Let's have a look at the 383 monster here. Manual front disc brakes from the factory. Engine has a build sheet and dyno report, balance and blueprint report rather, and dyno. And very, very nice engine. 345 horsepower at 3,700 RPM and 401 feet-pounds of torque. So, put the hood down, and there you have it, GTS fans. A beautiful, beautiful 68 Dart GTS 383 4-speed. Thank you.